Good afternoon, everyone. Today, let's take an in-depth look at the all-new and redesigned 2016 Chevy Camero. And today, we'll give you all a full tour of the Camero. Start the engine, show it off, go some of the performance details, as well as show you a bunch of the features on the inside as well as the outside. So, here's the key. Let's go ahead and start up first. Also has Chevrolet's version of a smart key access system, so make sure you have this key on you. The doors are currently unlocked. Press this chrome button to lock it. Then after 1 second, push the button again. Then once more to unlock the passenger door. And the windows automatically go up as well when you close the door. It's a black exterior, black leather interior, power driver's seat, power recline, and power lumbar. This is the 6-speed manual transmission. Also has push button ignition, so make sure you have this key inside. Make sure it's in neutral. Put your foot on the brake and the clutch, and hit the button to start. Beautiful. The grab steering wheel, very smooth. Like I said, it's a 6-speed manual. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and all the way up, over, and up is reverse. Also have a backup camera, got it nice right there. Very nice. Electronic parking brakes right here. Just pull it up to engage it, and then put your foot on the brake and push it down to disengage it. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the lights and the hazards. Front 2 windows are automatic. We'll check out the rest. Also got blind spot monitoring. Also got HID headlights with the LED daytime running lights. Coming to the back, got full LED tail lights with the LED turn signal indicators there. Rear view camera, your license plate light, full exhaust. That's the best I can do. Gonna pop the hood. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.2 liter V8 engine. power windows, power mirrors, 2-person memory settings, power door locks. Alright, let's go give it a couple of revs. This thing's pretty loud, so I'm gonna give it just tiny revs. This thing's loud. That's enough. Alright, got your radio controls.
What do you expect at a budget-friendly price? Best of all, we proudly stand behind our signature brands with a 100% money
Got your
guarantee.
different stations right here.
Signature brands.
About childhood.
And you also got your preset stations.
Hey, 104 hip hop and R&B. We'd honestly. The other part of the. Best price.
Very nice. Right here, you got your 3-stage heated seats.
Oh, cool. 855 94.9 KLTY 620 now. Checking traffic as you make your way home. Here's scale.
And got your front defrost. And you got your different modes right here. This is to turn off your radio. And you also got your auto climate control. And your fan speeds right here. Right here you got your different temperatures.
Southbound 35 at Sycamore School Road, wreck on the right shoulder, causing a backup to 20. In Plano, southbound 75 at Parker, the wreck's on the
You got your air vents right here.
backup to Exchange.
Right here you got your traction control, your different modes, your electronic parking brake like I showed earlier, the cup holders. You got your storage in there. And also got your driver information settings right there.
Family-friendly station, 94.9 KLTY.
Right here you got your cruise control. You also got heated steering wheel too. Turn signals right here. Wipers. Different speeds. There's high speed, low speed. Very nice. Got your lights. All dimming rearview mirror. Very nice. Got your air vents right here too. And your heads up display right there. Right there. Very nice. You also got red lighting here in the dark, which looks really cool. Alright, so I guess that's it for the startup. Go ahead and cut it off. And we'll check out the rest of the vehicle. seat back. It does have a back seat, but it's pretty small. I can't really get back there. And the total vehicle price is $49,020. Just gonna check out the trunk. We got a very nice amount of trunk space. Power window, power door locks, storage down there. You also got the blue LED lighting. Same thing as the other side. Glove compartment. Very nice. All right, so it's going to start up. The door closed. Very nice.
Connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the blue OnStar button to learn.
Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on this all-new 2016 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Should stay tuned for my next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.